So let me talk a little bit about the scenario that we're in here on Lake Traverse. And this entire lake is extremely shallow, and there's a lot of what I would call trash fish too. So it's really a matter of trying to sort through looking at active target to determine which ones you're going to cast at. And what we've found, because most of the time we're fishing in say 5 to 8 feet of water and there's a lot of marks all over the place, it's kind of tough to differentiate just by looking at them whether they're sheep's head, whether they're perch, whether they're walleyes, because some of the walleyes obviously aren't real big here. But the thing that we've absolutely found, and you really want to pay attention to, are the walleyes are the ones that aren't moving very much. You want to slow it down, look for those fish that are sitting stationary, especially if they're up off the bottom a little bit, and try to throw what you have right next to them and see if you can get a follow and a hit. So keep that in mind. When there's a lot of trash fish, look for the slower moving or the marks that are just sitting still and target those to catch more walleyes.